Okay guys, I'm going to do the video for this part together. This one you should know how to do, so I'm just going to do the odd problems and guys can try the evens. This is odd, 1, 3, 5, evens, 2, 4, 6. So together means we're going to do this in class. Simplify each expression. Notice none of these have an equal sign. So all you have to do is add like terms. A plus 4a is 5a. Negative 7 plus 7 is 0. So you don't have to write the 0. Now notice you have one term, and the word we use for that is the word monomial. Monomial. Okay? Number 3, like terms, 2r plus, there's an understood 1, so 2 plus 1 is 3r. 9 plus 6 is 15. Can't combine anymore, so you're done. You'll notice you have two terms, and that's called a binomial. One term, two terms. Okay? On number 5, combine your like terms. Negative 4n minus 2n is negative 6n. Bring down your 7. Count your terms. 1, 2. That is also a binomial. I will let you guys do 2, 4, and 6. All right, here's the part. So this was review. Here's the part that we're going to do together. It says to do what? Solve each equation and check your answers. Okay? All right, on number 7, count your terms. You notice you have two negatives. Anytime you have those two together, write that as 1. So n plus 5 equals 10. Go ahead and solve. Count your terms. 1, 2. Anytime you have 2 or more, you will always add or subtract. So how would you solve for that one? Minus 5, minus 5. These will cancel. Bring down your n. Bring down the equal sign. 10 minus 5 is 5. Okay? Let me make this a little bit bigger. Okay. Number 8. Let's look at number 8. Two terms, 20 plus a, 1, 2. So minus 20, what you do to one side, you do to the other. That cancel. Bring down your a, equal 8 minus 20 is negative 12. Oh, I forgot to check. Let's go ahead and check. Number 7, here we go. Where n is, you plug it in. So 5 minus negative 5 equals 10. This is 5 plus 5 equals 10. 5 plus 5 is 10. See how they're equal? So this answer is correct. Okay? Let's look at number 8. Let's check number 8. 20 plus a. What is your a? So plus negative 12 equals 8. So 20 minus 12 equals 8. 20 minus 12 is 8. See how they're equal? That checks, so that means that one is correct. Okay? Number 9. Look at number 9. Solving for r. 6 plus r, so you're going to subtract r on both sides. Cancel. 0 minus 6 is negative 6. Leaves you r. Check your answers. 0 equals 6 plus r. What is r? Negative 6. Anytime you have those two, plus and a minus, just write it as negative 6. 0 minus 6 is 0. That checks, so that checks. Okay? Number 10. Negative 14 equals x minus 9. Anytime you see those two signs. Now do your math. Solving for x, opposite of negative 9 is positive 9. Cancel. Negative 14 plus 9 is negative 5. Bring down your equal. Bring down your x. Do your math left to right, top to bottom. Okay? Let's check your work. Negative 14 equals x. Oh, what number is x? Negative 5. My fault. Plus negative 9. See how I substituted in? So negative 14 equals negative 5 minus 9. Negative 14. Negative 5 minus 9 is negative 14. Check, check. Okay. Number 11. Count your terms. 1, there's only one term. This is 9 times v. Opposite of multiplying is dividing. cancel. B equals negative 18 divided by 9 is negative 2. All right, check your work. 9 times negative 2 equals negative 18. Now notice I put parentheses out here, and that's a negative, so this is 9 times that. So negative 18 equals negative 18. Those work. Finish, finish. Okay? Number 12. This is b divided by 9. Opposite of dividing is multiplying. What you do to one side, you do to the other. So b equals, and I'm going to use my calculator for this one. Okay? So that is clear. Negative 15 times 19, which is negative 285. So to check, b is negative 285 divided by 19 equals negative 15. So is that true? Negative 285 divided by 19 is negative 15. See that right there? So this is check. Do your work. Where's your work? Get out your paper. It's not time yet. No. No. It's still not time yet. You can swim about 8 laps in that time. So, all right, number 13. N divided by 18 equals 5. See how it's divide? So you're going to multiply by 18. These two cancel, so n is equal to 5 times 18, which is, I believe it's 90. Yep. Okay? Check your math. 90 divided by 18 is equal to 5. 90 divided by 18 is 5 equal to 5. Check. Check. It's due Tuesday, guys. Make sure you get it turned in. Number 14, okay? Here we go. That negative, you see this negative right here? Make it go with the top number. So write it as negative 10 over 13 equals x divided by 13. So if you look at this problem, mathematically, you're solving for this one. So this is divided by 13. So what you do to one side, you do to the other side. So those cancel. 13 times negative 10, this is multiply, will give you negative 130 over 13 equals x. Simplify that. Negative 130 divided by 13 is negative 10 equals x. Okay? Check your answers. Here we go. Negative 10 divided by 13 equals x. X is negative 10 divided by 13. Look how they're exactly alike. Check, check. All right. Your assignment is to do number 15 through 54. And if you get done with that, go ahead and continue on with number 55 through 84. Okay? But I am going to do the next part of the video, adding to there. All right. Go to number 55. We are going to solve together an inequality. I want you to remember, when multiplying or divide by a negative, switch, that should be a comma, switch the sign. Just wanted to remember that you guys did that, okay? So I'm going to do number 55, do number 64, and then you guys finish the rest. Let's look at number 55. Two terms, 1, 2, add 5, add 5. Cancel. Think of this like your equal sign, so I just write it like I see it. 4 plus 5 is 9. And you would say V is greater than or equal to 9. Okay? Number 56. Negative 1 plus m, two terms. So I add 1 to both sides. I did not divide or multiply, so I don't need to worry about switch. Cancel, so m is greater than or equal to negative 4. M, see how this is smaller? Not that, sorry. Is less than. I can't write today. Or equal to. Okay? Number 57. Let's take a look at this one. 57. 1, 2. So I'm going to add 4 to both sides. Cancel. Do not change your sign. Negative 2 plus 4 is 2. B is less than. Number 58. 1, 2. So I'm going opposite of positive 5 is negative 5. Cancel. Bring down your B. Keep your sign. 15 minus 5 is 10. And this one is greater than or equal to. B is, you see how there's bigger? So B is greater than or equal to 10. Number 59. One term you're dividing, but R divided by 6, so you're going to multiply. Notice you multiply times a positive number. So R is greater than or R is less than 5 times 6, which is 30. That's R is less than. Okay. Number 60. There's your dividing by 7, so you're going to multiply by 7. So M is greater than 10. Negative 10 times 7 is negative 70. So M is greater, see how there's 2 of them, than negative 70. Number 16. I'm solving for this one, the one that has the variable. Okay, so I want to get rid of that fraction. Opposite of dividing by 8 is multiplying it by 8. That cancel. So B is greater than or equal to 8 over 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4. And that's B is less than or equal to. When is this due, guys? Tuesday. If you finish, turn it in the basket, please. You're good. I'll grade them later. Okay, number 62. Notice this is negative 7 times n, so I need to divide by negative 7. Since you are dividing by a negative, guess what happens to this inequality sign? It flips. 70 divided by negative 7 is negative 10. And that n is less than or equal to. Okay. Number 63. Here we go. This is divide by negative 7, so you're going to multiply by negative 7. That cancel, so what happens to your sign? It flips over. 2 times negative 7 is negative 14. And x is greater than. Okay. Number 64. Divided by 5. So opposite of dividing by 5 is multiplying. Notice I times negative 7, so I change the sign. Here I'm multiplying by positive, so I don't have to go. K is greater than or equal to 50. Don't change that sign. So K is greater than. Bye, guys. Have a good weekend. And 50. All right. I'll see you this afternoon. Okay. If you have any questions, let me know. Just remember, when you multiply or divide by a negative, you change the sign. Flip it over. Okay? Good luck. I need you guys to finish the rest of this. This will be number 65 to 84. So make sure you get all that done. Thank you.